This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get cut in Pokémon. To begin your journey to obtain the cut hidden machine, you'll first need to make some progress in the game. Your initial step is to challenge and defeat the Santaloon City gym leader, Viola. Once you've triumphed over her, you'll be awarded your very first gym badge. This badge is crucial because it grants you the ability to use the powerful HM move, Cut, not just in battles, but also out in the world to clear obstacles. Now that you have your first badge, let's find the Cut HM itself. From Santaloon City, you'll want to head east, making your way onto Route 5. Follow this route until you arrive at the bustling metropolis of Lumio City. Once there, navigate to the Sycamore Pokémon Lab. Inside, a kind character will bestow upon you the hidden machine for Cut, a vital tool for your adventure. With the Cut HM in your possession, it's time to teach it to one of your Pokémon. Open your bag and locate the TM's and HMS pocket. Select the Cut HM and then choose a suitable Pokémon from your current party. Remember, not all Pokémon can learn Cut, but many Grass-type and Normal-type Pokémon are excellent candidates. Once learned, Cut will occupy one of your Pokémon's 4 move slots. Finally, let's put Cut into action. As you explore the Kalos region, you'll encounter small, thin trees that obstruct your path. Simply walk up to one of these trees and interact with it. Your Pokémon that knows Cut will then spring into action, swiftly clearing the obstacle. This ability is essential for unlocking new routes, discovering hidden items, and advancing your journey through various parts of the game world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.